Hey guys, welcome back. This is another update from Samsung, and this is my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yesterday, Saturday, I looked at my device to find out if there's any update, but in fact, there was one. So I paused it so I can make a video of it, and this is it right here. This is the update. So I don't really know. It seems like it's another security update with some fixes, bug fixes, and also some improvement. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and then we're gonna see what's new into this software update. So let's go hit on install, and then let's let it install the software into my device, a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So hopefully this is gonna be a nice bug fixes and also some new improvement and security patch. So I don't know if this update is only available for T-Mobile phones, but as you can see, the update is being done and my device is restarting, and this is a T-Mobile phone. So I'm not too sure if it is available only for T-Mobile devices, but anyway, it's an update from Samsung, and now it already installed, and right now my device is gonna start. And then after that, we're gonna see what's new into this update, and hopefully it is something very interesting, and we're gonna go ahead and check out some animations and stuff like that. And as you can see, the device has started, and we're gonna go to settings, and then we're gonna go check out the software version and also see what's new on there. I don't think it is One UI 5.1. I don't think so, because that's coming up with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, but this one, it's running One UI 5.0 and also Android 13. So we're gonna go to settings, and from here we're gonna find out what version is the software and also what UI this update has. And as you can see it here, it says my device has been updated successfully, and this is the T-Mobile and then also the software version, as you can see it here. And let's go back and let's check out let's go to settings, and then from here we're gonna go to software update, and as you can see, I don't see anything visual right now. So this is One UI 5.0 and Android 13, so there's nothing visual in this update. So I'm assuming that is only a security update, and also nothing new about it. And you can see it, everything is nice and smooth. When you scroll left and right, as you can see it here, everything is the same from previous update, and all these apps opens up easily and nice and smooth. All right, so this is it. This is nothing new. This is the app drawer, as you can see it here. Nothing new about this update. So I think it's only security update, but it is very, very interesting. I keep checking on updates every day on my device. So every time I find something, I come here and share it with you. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, you can go ahead and check it out. You should be able to get something, some nice new software version. And as you can see, everything is nice and smooth. You know, this is the recent apps. You know, it scrolls with no lag. Everything is nice and smooth, and I can open up any page right here. Everything is just super smooth. So no visual update, no visual change. So everything you see here is just the same as before, but the update is inside the phone, so it is just a security update. So guys, this is it. There's not much to talk about. You know, everything is just nice, looking good. So I have nothing to talk about it. I just wanted to show you the update that I got from Samsung. And let's check out the camera. As you all know, Samsung has the best camera in the world. People say iPhone has better camera, but me, I'm satisfied with what I got. And as you can see, in low light, you get nice, vibrant color. Everything is just bright inside. So this is regular photo, and then we're gonna check out portrait, and you're gonna see that it is nice. It has a nice camera. And let's go to portrait mode. And when you click on portrait, it's the same. It has a better lighting. It requires not a lot of natural lights, and as you can see it here, it's just beautiful colors. And everything is just smooth. You can scroll left and right, and this is my recent apps. As you can see, everything is just nice and smooth. So if you want to multitask, you can just go to recent app and you long press, and then you get this widget in the front of the screen. You can move it anywhere you want, and you can even flip the camera from front facing to back, and you can move this window anywhere you want. So this is multi-window multitasking, and you can just drag it down and delete it. And also you can go back and select multi-windows. So to do that, just go back to your recent app and long press, and you can get multi-window. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching.